When it comes to cooking during the summer, many of us are thinking of tossing something on the grill or making an easy throw together salad. But after a while, we start craving something a bit more comforting. That's why we came up with a seaside version of mac and cheese that's creamy, dreamy, and comes together in no time. We start by cooking some pasta shells and draining them really well. While it sits, we make a cheese sauce to toss it with. It starts with melted butter that we mix with flour and a few seasonings. Once it's golden, we slowly whisk in some milk and let it simmer until it thickens up. Now for the best part, we stir in lots of shredded cheddar cheese. After it melts, we gently stir in the cooked pasta, some shredded mozzarella cheese, and a good amount of shrimp. Now we'll spoon this into a casserole dish, top it with some buttery cracker crumbs, and pop it in the oven. You'll know it's ready when it's bubbling hot and the topping is golden. Then get ready for lots of comfort. It's cheesy, it's creamy, and it's weeknight easy. To get the recipe before we call our shrimp mac and cheese, all you have to do is visit our website. Here you go. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Cheesy. Good?
Yeah.